Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Today, you're going to learn the key differences between Accounting and QuickBooks, starting first with a clear pricing comparison so you immediately understand how both platforms position themselves. Accounting offers 4 cloud plans with straightforward monthly pricing. The standard cloud plan costs $8 per month and includes 1 company, 1 user, plus 1 accountant, up to 1,000 invoices, 4 included apps, and ticket support. Premium Cloud costs $24 per month and increases your capacity to 10 companies, 10 users, 10,000 invoices, and 10 included apps. Elite Cloud, priced at $56 per month, is designed for mid-sized teams with support for 30 companies, 30 users, 30,000 invoices, and 30 apps. Finally, Ultimate Cloud costs $145 per month and offers unlimited companies, unlimited users, unlimited invoices, every app in the ecosystem, and ticket support. These 4 plans give businesses flexibility in choosing an affordable option that still meets their operational needs without overwhelming them with hidden fees or overly complex tier structures. Once the pricing is understood, it becomes easier to appreciate the features that accounting provides. Accounting focuses on delivering a clean, user-friendly accounting environment that works well for freelancers, micro-businesses, and small companies that want simplicity without sacrificing capability. Users can send invoices, track expenses, manage vendors and customers, record bills, and generate essential financial reports. Multiple currencies are supported, which is helpful for businesses working with international clients. One of the standout strengths of accounting is its open source nature, which means users can self-host, customize workflows, or extend the platform using its App Store. The App Store includes tools for payroll, inventory, recurring transactions, budgeting, and additional integrations that allow businesses to tailor the system around their processes. The interface feels modern and lightweight, making it approachable for users who might be transitioning from spreadsheets or who are handling bookkeeping on their own for the first time. Accounting comes with several pros that make it appealing for cost-conscious users. One of the biggest advantages is affordability, especially when comparing the lower-cost cloud plans or taking advantage of the completely free self-hosted option. Businesses that value data control appreciate that accounting gives them ownership over their installation and database if they choose to host it themselves. The open source structure encourages customization and gives developers the freedom to adapt the system. The platform's interface is simple, clear, and beginner-friendly, and the App Store helps expand functionality without requiring users to move to an entirely different accounting system. Multi-currency support, unlimited customers and vendors, and the ability to scale by adding apps all make accounting a practical tool for small operations. However, there are also cons to consider. The free version may require technical skills to set up and maintain, which can be a hurdle for non-technical users. Support is limited on lower tiers, and some users may find themselves relying on community guidance rather than direct assistance. Certain advanced functions require paid apps, which could lead to higher total costs depending on the tools a business needs. While the system works well for essential bookkeeping, its reporting capabilities may feel basic compared to more established platforms. Additionally, because the ecosystem is still growing, there may not always be a ready-made integration for every third-party service a business uses. Even with these limitations, Accounting remains one of the strongest low-cost accounting tools for individuals and small teams who want flexibility, transparency, and control without committing to a premium subscription. Now that you've learned how accounting positions itself, let's move into QuickBooks and explore the features that make it one of the most widely recognized accounting platforms globally. QuickBooks offers a polished, cloud-based workflow built for freelancers, small businesses, and larger teams that need deeper financial tools. Users can manage invoicing, automated bookkeeping, bill tracking, sales and expense categorization, and bank reconciliation with ease. One of QuickBooks' greatest strengths is its powerful bank feed automation, which pulls transactions from connected institutions and helps organize them using built-in rules. Reports are robust and include profit and loss statements, balance sheets, sales summaries, and cash flow insights that help business owners understand performance at a glance. QuickBooks also provides automated bill pay, receipt capture, and mobile access, making it easy to manage finances from anywhere. Higher tier plans add tools for inventory, budgeting, forecasting, and custom reporting, while the massive ecosystem of third-party integrations helps users connect QuickBooks with CRM systems, e-commerce stores, payment processors, and more. To understand pricing in context, QuickBooks currently displays discounted rates, giving new users access to the simple start plan at $19 per month for one user. Essentials costs $37.50 per month and includes up to 3 users. Plus, the customer favorite plan costs $57.50 per month for 5 users. Advanced, which is geared toward larger businesses, costs $137.50 per month and supports up to 25 users. Each plan includes Intuit Assist, an AI-powered tool that helps organize expenses, analyze transactions, and provide intelligent guidance across your books. Upper tier plans include additional agents such as the finance agent and project management agent, which help identify trends, create projections, and support cost allocation for ongoing work. QuickBooks has several pros that users consistently highlight. Its automation features save significant time, reducing manual data entry and improving accuracy. The reporting tools are deep enough for experienced accountants while still being approachable for beginners. Because QuickBooks is widely adopted, most bookkeepers already know how to use it, making collaboration smooth. The integrations ecosystem is massive, meaning that almost any tool a business relies on can be connected directly. The mobile app is strong, offering on-the-go invoicing, photo receipt capture, and quick access to financial summaries. The platform also receives frequent updates, keeping pace with business demands and regulatory requirements. But QuickBooks does come with cons. Pricing can become expensive as your needs grow, especially when moving into higher tiers to unlock inventory tracking, additional users, or advanced analytics. Some features require add-ons such as payroll or time tracking, which increase your total monthly cost. Beginners may feel overwhelmed by the number of menus and settings, and the learning curve can be steeper compared to simpler accounting apps. QuickBooks is not open source, meaning customization is restricted, and self-hosting is not an option. Because your data lives entirely on Intuit's servers, businesses seeking full control may prefer open source alternatives. Even so, QuickBooks remains one of the most comprehensive accounting systems on the market and offers an unmatched ecosystem of professional support. Looking at ratings, QuickBooks generally scores highly across major review sites such as G2, Capterra, and Trustpilot, often above 4 stars for usability, features, and reliability. Akaunting receives moderate to positive ratings, with users praising its affordability and open source flexibility while noting occasional gaps in support or advanced features. Ratings can vary by region and update cycle, and not all platforms publish identical data sets, so treat these scores as general reflections rather than definitive rankings. As a final takeaway, accounting is ideal for freelancers or small teams who want affordability, open source freedom, and customizable workflows. QuickBooks is better suited for businesses that want deeper financial reporting, automation, seamless integrations, and a trusted ecosystem that scales. Choosing the right tool comes down to budget, technical comfort, and future growth plans. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to subscribe for more accounting breakdowns, software tutorials, and business systems guidance. Comment below and let me know which tools you want to see compared next.